Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making moi moi. Now I've grounded my beans and now I'm adding my crayfish, my salt, some seasoning cubes with some curry. Yeah, curry gives it that flavor, trust me. Just put it in yours next time. So I'm trying to get everything in, no wastage. Now I'm adding in my onions and my spring onions, and then I would begin to stir. Make sure you stir very well in order for everything to be combined. You do not want some Maggi in just one side, and then that ruins all the taste. Just stir, stir and stir. Then I'm adding in my oil, and then I'm also going to keep stirring. Now I'm adding in my water. You can also add warm water. Yeah, stir, and then it is time for me to pour into my containers. These are my moi moi containers. I prefer using them to leather because I feel like it's healthier and it gives me a taste that I really like. So I'm putting them in. I'm making my moi moi with some boiled eggs. So I've already boiled the eggs and I've sliced them. So I'm putting them right now. Yes, can you see how it looks? I cannot wait to eat this moi moi. Oh, are you a lover of moi moi? Just make sure you try this recipe. Yes, then I'll be putting them in my pot. My pot is already on the fire. It's already boiling, so I'm going to be putting them in there. Yes, this is Mimi. She's helping me out in the kitchen. So I'm placing them right now and I'm going to cover them up and allow it to boil for about 45 to 1 hour because I really want it cooked. You do not want your moi moi to be uncooked. It's the last thing you would ever want because you're not going to like what your stomach is going to feel like. Anyway, so I've put all of my containers in and I'm going to cover up and allow to keep cooking. Yes, I cannot wait to taste this. Oh my goodness, moi moi is so nice, and I'm making it with akamu. You can actually enjoy your moi moi with some sauce, some fish sauce, beef sauce, or any meat of your preference. Now my moi moi is ready after taking about 1 hour. So I'm just going to drop it off and look at how it looks. Oh my goodness, so delicious. Oh, can you see? And this is my pap. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye.